Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix iPhone not receiving text. So let's just get straight into the video. So we're going to be talking about basic fixes, message settings, solutions, and also network and software solutions. So first, talking about basic fixes, try to restart your phone. Turning it off and on simply does help fix temporary glitches. The second you want to do is look for self-service bar in the top right. If you see no service, then you can simply try to enable and disable the airplane mode in order to reset the connections. The other thing you want to do inside of message settings is going to be by simply opening your settings tab and heading into apps. Once you're inside of here, all you need to do is simply go ahead and look for messages right over here. Now, all you need to do is simply go ahead and turn off the iMessage and turn it back on, and it should go ahead and fix it. The final fix for the network and software solution is going to be by opening general settings, scrolling all the way down to transfer or reset, and reset network settings. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.